What is up, guys? Joe here, back with another video. Today I wanted to cover how to find the top upcoming NFT projects before they hit the general public. So I'm talking about being the first to purchase an NFT during a pre-sale and potentially resell for a high multiple. So today I wanted to cover how to find these rare NFTs and how to profit off of this approach. So there are a couple of tools you can use for this approach, but the main one is rarity.tools. So this website is an aggregator and it gives you the top upcoming NFT sales submitted by teams and organizations. There are dozens of collections on this website, and from here you can sift through some of the top upcoming NFT drops. So on the homepage, you simply want to navigate to the upcoming tab, and from here you will have a calendar breakdown of the top NFT mints coming up. So if you look at some of these collections, you'll have the name of the collection, some of the artwork, their Discord link, their Twitter, and their official webpage, and what some of the minimum floor price for that NFT will be. So there are a lot of options once you start scanning through here, and you want to pick a project with a lot of Twitter followers and a lot of Discord followers. That means there's a lot of demand for the NFTs, and with a larger demand comes a larger community you can potentially resell your NFT to. So essentially what you want to do is start researching some of these projects, and simply first thing you want to do is click on their Twitter. So here's this White Rabbit collection, and you see here they have 4,000 followers, which is a healthy number. You definitely want a large following. I would say anything at 10,000 followers or more is even better, but 5,000 is passable. And also look at their Discord. Same goes for Discord. We're nearing almost 10,000 members, which is a healthy amount. Again, this means there's a large community present and a large demand for the collection, and we can keep scrolling by. And obviously a lot of the art is subjective, just really depends of what you're into, what you think other people would be into. And we know that a lot of the 8-bit art like here is very popular recently due to the CryptoPunks popularity. So we click here, let's look at their Twitter. So we have 2,000 followers here, and we click on their Discord and 1,600 followers. So I personally would not buy this project, being that there's a low amount of followers. So we can keep scrolling. Here's another one, Soul Nuts. So here we have 5,000 followers on Twitter, and we click on their Discord and 2,000 members. So this might be potentially a project I might be interested. It has a medium amount of followers, and the cool thing is they actually use Solana as their blockchain protocol. And Solana is amazing compared to Ethereum because A, Solana is hundreds of times faster than Ethereum, and B, Solana is much cheaper than Ethereum to send. And that includes gas fees. So the main issue with Ethereum currently is their high gas fees. We're talking anywhere between $20, $50, over $100 just to send or transact within Ethereum. But Solana, in order to transact in Solana, every transaction is less than a penny, which is amazing. So just picture millions of users making transactions daily, day in and day out. Something like Solana makes more sense because you're paying a fraction of a penny versus potentially hundreds of dollars in Ethereum. So definitely a lot of Solana NFT projects have been gaining momentum because of this. And lastly, here's another one, Moon's DAO. We click on their Twitter and 4,000 followers, Discord, 800 members. That seems like a low number to me. I would not invest in that. And the floor price here is 0.55 ETH, and there's going to be 10,000 total minted. That means 10,000 original NFTs created. And when I say minting means creating the NFT, and you can describe it as essentially pulling a baseball card out of a deck. That's what minting is. You're officially creating the NFT at random. So when you buy an NFT, it works like a raffle. So you don't know exactly which one you're buying. You just know you're buying a ticket to enter that raffle. And the NFT mints are issued at random. So it pretty much comes down to luck. If you're lucky enough to get a rare NFT, and that's the name of the game. You want something that's ultra rare so that the resale value will be super high. The more rare an NFT is, the more you can ask in the secondary market in markets such as OpenSea. And let's keep scrolling here and let's find one more that could seem promising. Here's a Sushi Neko collection and over 5,000 Twitter followers. Discord has 3,000 members, and always look at their website as well. So here's a cool website and looks pretty well made, fancy roadmap. So always keep in mind as well on the roadmap, you want to see what the team is up to, what upcoming utility the NFT may have. And as you can see here, they're creating a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization. They're creating a game. There's updated tokenomics. There's even Neko staking. It looks like they're creating a coin. So this actually has a really healthy roadmap. This might be something I would purchase myself. And obviously you want to do your own research. You want to gauge all of these different factors, a large following and a decent looking website. You don't want to invest in a project where the team decides to quit and they shut down the operation, which would render your NFT worthless essentially. So just keep in mind, a lot of NFTs are illiquid. Just because you own an NFT doesn't mean you can easily resell it. There has to be an interested buyer on the other side that's willing to buy it off of you. So keep that in mind. There always is a risk involved when buying NFTs. And lastly, here's another one, CryptoPuss, and we click on their Twitter. Over 12,000 followers. Discord, over 47,000 Discord members. Wow, that's huge. And if we click on their website, the sale starts in 5 days. It's launching soon. And here's a description of the project, roadmap. Looks like they're creating a metaverse earn to play game. It's really cool. They're actually doing a lot. And here's a cool video explaining the project, FAQ section and team section. And that's another thing you want to look for. The developer team here is actually public with their image. They're not anonymous. So that's another healthy sign. So you can actually vet who the creators are. You can actually see what they're up to, who they are, versus someone who is anonymous where they can easily disappear and just shut down whatever NFT project they're working on. So this collection looks amazing. This would be something I would personally invest in, and obviously do your own research and see if this is something you would buy into. And again, the floor price here is 0.06 ETH, and there's going to be a total of over 5,555 minted. And keep in mind, they will be sold on the Ethereum blockchain. So the most popular wallet for that would be MetaMask, and MetaMask is supported by Chrome, Firefox, Brave browser, and even iOS and Android. So what you would want to do is load up some Ethereum into this wallet. So if you use Coinbase or you use crypto.com, Kraken, Binance, purchase the Ethereum there and send it to this personal MetaMask wallet. And from there, you'll be able to connect it to the NFT website. And from here, you can purchase the NFT during the launch. So you want to act quick, you want to act fast. Remember, it's first come, first serve. This is a lottery style bid, so you have to really be on top of it in order to gain a spot in the original mint. And obviously you want to get in at an early price, at a pre-sale price. In the primary market, you want to buy when they're minting. You don't necessarily want to buy when it's in the secondary market, and that's when it's already hit a secondary market like OpenSea. And by then you're already paying for the resale value. You're going to be paying at least double, sometimes triple, 10 times the original amount. And that's a bigger risk for you, because you have to ask yourself, are you a collector or are you a reseller? If you're a collector, then that's someone who's going to want to hold this NFT for a long time. But if you're a reseller, you're simply going to hold this NFT for a couple of hours, couple of days, and just resell it on the open market. So just keep that in mind when you're looking for upcoming NFT drops and what your objective would be. Are you going to hold the NFT or are you going to resell it? So again, this is my favorite website to look at for upcoming NFT mints. And another popular NFT calendar for upcoming mints is nextdrop.is. And from here, you just navigate to the upcoming drops tab, and it's the same idea. You get the project on the left-hand side, the amount of NFTs that would be minted, the floor price, and Discord following and Twitter followers. And you want to use the same criteria. You want a high number of followers and you want to vet the website. You want the website to look clean and presentable. You want a visible roadmap. You want the founders, the creators to be visible as well. And obviously this builds trust in the community, and trust is a big factor in the crypto community. People are instilling a lot of trust and money into these projects, and they want a positive return on their investment. And lastly, once you've acquired your NFT, and again, if you bought something on Ethereum, you're gonna need MetaMask. But when you're ready to sell this NFT, my recommended marketplace would be OpenSea. So OpenSea is the largest NFT marketplace by volume. They have hundreds of collections in here, and here you can see some of the top trending collections over the past 7 days. And OpenSea currently only operates via Ethereum NFTs, so you can only transact via Ethereum, USDC stablecoin, or American dollars. So you're probably wondering, what if I bought a Solana NFT? So the biggest Solana NFT marketplace would be Solana Art, and Solana Art is similar to OpenSea. They only host Solana NFTs, and again, hundreds of collections, and you can sell your NFT here, you can store it, you can buy NFTs. It's the top Solana NFT marketplace, and Solana is cheaper and faster than Ethereum. So this is serious competition to a lot of the Ethereum loyalists out there. And coming in at a close third is CNFT.io, and these are Cardano NFTs. So this as well has been gaining traction, and similar to Solana, Cardano is cheaper and faster than Ethereum, and the same idea applies. You can store your NFT, you can sell it, you can buy it. It's a really cool website. You can browse through some of the most popular collections on the site. And lastly, another NFT marketplace that has been gaining traction is Nifty Gateway. So Nifty Gateway was purchased by Gemini in 2021, and Nifty only operates on Ethereum and American dollars. So if you want to post your NFT here, I would recommend it. For anyone who's already using Gemini as your preferred broker, it has easy integration into Gemini, and it's trusted by thousands of users around the world. So keep in mind, anytime you transact with NFTs, there is associated gas fees, and a gas fee is just a transaction fee. That means you're sending something from point A to point B, and that's whether you're sending crypto or you're sending an NFT art. Gas fee is necessary for that transaction to happen. And also, if you want to look at trending collections over the past days, you can look at this website, icy.tools. So icy.tools gives you the top NFT collections of the week, and it gives you a breakdown of the amount sold by volume and sales amount and even market cap. So here is another way you can research for NFT collections if you're interested in buying and reselling. Just keep in mind, anytime you want to buy and resell, there is the associated risk of no buyers being present on the other side. Just because you bought it doesn't mean you will easily resell it as well. So just keep that in mind. This is not a liquid asset. You may be left holding this NFT for a long time. And another website used for NFT analytics would be CryptoSlam.io. Here you can look at rankings over the last 24 hours. And as you can see, the most popular ones over the past day have been Axie Infinity NFTs, CryptoPunks, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, Bored Ape Yacht Club, NBA Top Shot, The Sandbox, Adidas Originals, and you can also see some of the top blockchains being used. Obviously, Ethereum is number 1, Solana would be number 4. We have Polygon at number 6 and Tezos at number 8. And again, the top collectible sales over the last 24 hours. Bored Ape number 605, CryptoPunk number 920, Runner number 9527. Here's another CryptoPunk number 3795, Bored Ape number 4303. And lastly, I will leave you with one thing, and that's this Binance article on 6 key indicators for NFT collectors to evaluate NFT projects. So this pretty much gives you a breakdown of what to look for when purchasing and researching NFTs. Number 1 would be utility. What kind of utility would this NFT serve beyond just being a piece of art? Does it have real-world functionality? Can it be used for more than just storing and looking at as a piece of art collection? Number 2, rarity. How rare is your art? How rare is this NFT? Is it worth collecting? Is it something that other peoples would want? Remember, the more rare the NFT is, the more value it will attract. Number 3, community size, like we covered. How big are the users? How many followers are following this collection? The bigger the community, the more demand there is for the project. And as you've noticed, some of the top collections have been the Bored Ape Yacht Club and the CryptoPunks. That's because a lot of celebrities have been piling into this name. A lot of celebrities have been using these NFT art pieces as their Twitter profile pics. So that just in turn advertises and gains more attention for the project, and this in turn brings even more demand for that collection. So having a bigger community is a good thing for the NFT project. Number 4, potential of the NFTs. So what's the projection of the NFT over its lifetime? Is it going to keep growing? Is it going to decrease? You want to definitely invest in something that has a lot of potential. Number 5, provenance. Who are the creators of the NFTs? What are the origins? What is its mission statement? All of this plays a role in whether you should buy into the collection or pass. Personal taste. What do you think of the art? Is it cool? Is it hip? Do you think others would like it? This is all subjective, but obviously I would recommend you buy something that you think other people would like as well. And that's it. That's pretty much an overview of how to research and buy NFTs. This is a new frontier in the blockchain world. This is still experimental, so a lot of people are learning as we go, but it is very promising. There is a lot of institutional interest in the space, and a lot of celebrities are getting into this industry as well. So let me know what you think about NFTs. Are you a collector? Are you a reseller? What do you think? Is it a bubble? Let me know in the comment section. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.